going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here with my dad, 2006 Toyota 4Runner. We're going to do the front and rear differential oil change. So let's get started. The rear first. This is a 24 millimeter bolt. So loosen the fill first, and then we'll loosen the drain. Broke the drain plug loose, so let's loosen it up. There she goes. Alright, I'm gonna let it drain for a little bit here and then I'll be back. That plug. Maybe not now.
Huh?
So maybe not now. It's done buried in there.
Where'd you go to all?
Alright guys, got the drain flow back in, and I'm pretty sure the torque spec for this is about 30, I think it's about 28, so I'll do 30 on it here. Get underneath here with the torque wrench. Well, maybe. Can't do it with my hand. Record on that one. You'll feel the crush washers collapse here, like they're supposed to. Right there. There we go. All right. Alright guys, you watched my other video. This will use 75W90, we're using Mobile 1. It should take about 3.5 quarts, so let's get the filling. You let him back in. Sorry. Just open the door.
Okay.
He'll come out. I forgot Riley's on her. She's teaching a lesson or something today. Just call his name.
Whitman.
You coming?
Whitman. He's not here. There he is.
All right, guys, just filled up. I'm gonna tighten this down to 30 foot-pounds, just like the drain plug. All right, guys, rear's done. Onto the front now. All right, guys, rear's done. Onto the front now. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think. Have a great night.